Can you please open your YouTube? I have live streaming here.
Where? Sa YouTube mo.
Dun na, dun sa open mo. Open mo yan, open. Yung picture. Wait. Yung picture mo. Picture mo na big. Sa left baga sa taas. Yung picture mo na big. Circle. Yan. And then, yung live. Yan. Kami siya. Pindot like. Yes. Please like.
That's my like.
To see some of our important small things. Small but important things in life. Motherhood, parenting, career woman, working mom, baby life, mommy life. Here in the... Can you close the others? Baby, close the others. Okay. Thank you for 2 likes. Please see yourself to see ya. See ya. Why it costs like that? Because our family is expensive and we are more than what you're seeing, of course. So if you don't want to be a member, it's alright. It's like a PayPal for other country. Thank you for your likes and for your views. We're gonna sleep now. Baby, please close yung picture ni Mami. Yung may picture ni Mami naka-blue. Open, close all. Please close all. Doon o, sabi naka-right sa taas. Hindi naman kasi tumitingin. Tumingin ka kasi sa akin, nagtuturo ako. Ayun o. Oh, sa pinakataas may X. Sa right. Dito nga sa dulo, lahat. Matigas kasi ulo mo. Ito, ayun o, yan. All na yan. Sinasabihan kasi. Okay, so if you don't like our channel, please leave here. No problem. Bye-bye. If you don't like, I know what you like. Go to other channels if that's respect for you. Okay? Thank you, Chris. Bye-bye. No problem. We are not actually asking you to do that. Only for those who want. Okay, bye. That means you really do not know us. So, avoid chatting us. Okay, bye. So let's sleep. Let's sleep for a while. Slowly but surely, baby. Oops. Our breast milk catcher is not okay. We're gonna fix the breast milk catcher. Ding, 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 ding. Why are you drawing, Jemima?
I'm not drawing.
Or creating?
Dog day, si Dog day. I show Dog day.
Up. Let's see when dito. You drew her. Or
Him.
Him.
Dog day, do you like it?
Show it to the subscribers, your dog. Wow, Jemima's artwork. What's the name?
Dog day.
Dog Day. You see a character in a game?
No, in a watch by Catnap.
Ang kanti mo kita, no? Cover. Ano yan?
You and me. Sige, magana. Oh.
Oh, so sharpness. You're the other one.
The red one.
La 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 la. Hindi din kay mami. Ay. Hello everyone, to those who are watching. We are not the channel you are thinking. So see, we're not editing that much. So we're live streaming because we're showing you some bits of our lives, portion of our lives in a day, to show you that yeah, life is difficult. There are hardships. Living with your family, especially if you're a mom or a parent, you can do something worthwhile with your children and you can do good, of course. This is a channel showing to the world that we are doing our best to nourish our children, to have our mental health intact after the pandemic, especially. Why? Because this channel started during the pandemic. So if you watch some parts of our, or some videos from our channels, you will understand that we started during the pandemic, during the times that we really needed something to earn, but not up to the point of breaking some cultural norms. So thank you for those who are respecting us, those who are also commenting positively are, very much appreciated. Those who are commenting negatively based on their own interpretation of this channel, I'm sorry, but please leave. Thank you for your views, for your attention, but I will not thank you for, you know, for commenting something which is not totally about us or not us. Okay? So please stop pushing us to do something which you like, because we are not actually the channel which will satisfy your lust. Okay? So let me clarify that again to you. We are not a channel satisfying your lust. We are encouraging mothers, most especially because I'm the one managing this channel, to learn or to know the things which they can also do if they want, or which they do not want to do for their children at home or anywhere. For us, we are just sharing the things which will help our family improve, which we can do every day. Maybe not every day, but casual things that we do for our family, not to make our family down, but to uplift our family. Okay, so thank you for watching. Those who are dropping by, those who also paid for membership, thank you. If you do not want to continue, then remove your membership or withdraw your membership. That's not a problem to us. For you, we would like you to, of course, spend your money to those worthwhile things or activity. But if you think we are worthy of your money, then why not, continue, right? Or be our member, because YouTube is not giving us a lot, to correct you, okay? We are not getting a lot from YouTube, but we are giving time to this because we save our moments here. So why not show it to those who really support us, who loves our family? Okay? So those who are watching again and who are continuously um subscribing, not unsubscribing, thank you. That's all. So that's for 15 minutes of talking because we're really tired. We want to rest. But I am moved to tell you something because of the post of somebody earlier, of a consistent viewer. So thank you once again. And to those who are understanding us, thank you. We are not monsters of your money. We are not monsters of your time. But to tell you frankly, we are not being paid much by YouTube. So in case you want to be a member, that's your option. Okay? So thank you so much, and bye for now. Stay healthy. Oh, thank you for our 6 viewers out there, but we will now leave or stop streaming for the meantime. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay sane. Because not everyone will really help you to be sane in this world. Protect your mental health. Thank you, guys and gals. Hello, all